Hey guys, welcome back to How to Escape. This is Rahrena, and today I'm going to be doing a follow-up video to some common questions we've been getting on the channel, and specific in the last week or so from Aisha and Raffaello, who have been asking the big question, this 22S43 bushing recall. Could this have been the leading cause of why I've had to replace my transmission on my 3rd gen Ford Escape? So we're going to get into it in this video. So right off the bat, the short answer is probably 99% sure, no, it's not related. And the reason is there's a very strong separation of the outer part of the transmission where the bushing attaches versus the inside of the transmission where the failure usually occurs. So I understand wanting to have some type of retroactive reimbursement for the huge expense of having to replace these transmissions, but pay attention to the following images and I can kind of explain where the bushing involvement is compared to where the failures typically are reported to happen and the symptoms that come with that. So very quickly here, I just have kind of a system diagram of the shift lever going to the cable bushing and then the drive selector and everything inside the transmission. So from the lever it connects to this cable. At the end of the cable is the bushing, which then attaches to the pivot lever on the outside of your transmission. And here's a quick real-life recap again from our previous bushing repair video on what that push rod looks like connected to that outer transmission lever. The only job of this bushing is to hold the lever position to be synchronized with your transmission to shift from park to reverse to neutral to drive or to sport. It's just the main drive gears of the vehicle, not necessarily the speed. If your bushing has failed, the symptoms you're going to be experiencing is a disconnection of your shift lever to your transmission, meaning that your car will not change from park to reverse to neutral to drive. You might be stuck in one of those areas and not be able to get out. In direct comparison, what's been reported typically with these transmissions failing is anywhere between 1st and 6th gear, these speeds within the drive or sport mode, whether it's a hard shift, a huge clunking noise, or an epic failure and the whole car just goes into limp mode with this prompt that you'll see on your dash saying transmission fault, service now. This usually means that it's toast and you need to get it replaced. To reiterate, recall 22S43 is more externally related to the transmission and not internal to the speed. So Aisha, Raffaello, just hope this makes sense, hope this answered your questions. And best way to keep these transmissions going, knock on wood, is to do your preventative maintenance. It's best to do a drain and fill every 30,000 miles. With the Mercon LV spec transmission fluid. Report and look into any hard shifts or noises that you might see as soon as possible so nothing catastrophic can develop. Always try and stay ahead of that curve for any internal damage or things that you might be feeling with these transmissions. So that being said, I hope this was helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up. That really helps our channel for the YouTube algorithm. Share the video with someone who you know who might have the same question. And like we said already, leave a comment below on your thoughts, comments, or other questions about this. So thanks for watching How to Escape. We will see you next time.